Cutting down high-energy bills is all about smart, simple fixes you can actually do without draining your wallet or stressing out. First off, changing out those dirty air filters is a game changer. When the filters get clogged, your heating and cooling system has to work twice as hard, which spikes your energy use. Next up, check for duct leaks. Those sneaky gaps let all the conditioned air escape, so sealing them tight saves a bunch. Also, swapping to an energy-efficient thermostat lets you control your home's temperature way better, especially if it's programmable or smart. Don't forget to schedule regular maintenance with a pro to keep everything running smooth and catch issues early. Try to keep your vents clear and unblocked so air flows freely without extra strain on your system. Using ceiling fans to circulate air can help you feel cooler or warmer without cranking the thermostat. Lastly, consider upgrading old appliances or HVAC units if they're over 10 years old because newer models are way more energy efficient and cut your bills long term. One of the biggest mistakes with tackling high energy bills is ignoring dirty filters. They're cheap to replace but a huge factor in wasted energy, so swap them every 1 to 3 months. Another common slip-up is not sealing duct leaks. Even a small hole can cost you hundreds in lost energy each year, so grab some duct mastic or metal tape and patch those up. Lastly, skipping regular maintenance is a huge pitfall because your system could be running inefficiently or have hidden problems that jack up your energy use. Booking a tune-up every year keeps everything tight and efficient. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home energy upgrades. It also helps contractors get connected with homeowners looking for reliable pros to tackle those projects with confidence.